Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so midin ede adwoa searching. Mesrel subscribe to my channel. Founsa mi abe on so. Ube ya notification. Ense me koso o me mu bia obenye bia tie anase obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha. Odi ahenkan eye adwuma ewo Peace FM omo ena omo de a newspaper review discussion eba every morning bia na pay discussion omo eye no odi ahenkan ekrese Ghana just ade ba ko enye wo ha ya bo hu dewura abo mpanifo na ntiase eye street light any street light any in Accra nko a Oba Ashanti region western region street light no mi nim ade potinti a mpanifo no bo street light hu dewura omo pese omo bebe abaye no omo so omo drive around omo hu mpanifo mo Ghana ha no mi nya drive omo hu say street light enye and the Peace FM bebe omo abaso because every morning be omo ye discussion omo ka eye street light enye adwuma ho asem na ene ho discussion omo ye na odi ahenkan di tudwa na o kire se Ebom His Excellency na Adodan Akufo Addo ya de papa eye pokuase interchange obi obedu obi ese o salute to His Excellency because neni su ade efe neni su ade efe papa na pokuase interchange no enya sem ketu eye feyie ankasa odi ahenkan abona na Addo na ba so udu a hokrasi in Dubai ene Ghana fo mu hu ya na ese mu hu na mo kana Ebom His Excellency pokuase no ya street light ni so eni ho no eyade a Ghana fo ye bre o driving as a light no eye dim kakra dia na je se no na o kwaku ane enti eyade empanifo mu make sure say street light no mo be mana aya dwuma na say na owura odi ahenkan ede etudwa
Jira mehu sa so awesi junction kwa bekuma fui secondary school ho enti energy ministry ni assembly no madwuma pa anything so udu pokuase interchange na dwoa ewura di nyankopon me ameba afia ampofo o tie ewura mpon aso adu abroche na me twa credit to me WhatsApp status efewu o se efepra papa no anado you too kwan enwa so mu no anado me do tu ama me se busa say tinana ya kan street light kan obuode ni demo makura achenkwa this year ye yewura papa ye nshawanke yewu enti wonte nana enti wonte atamkwasi ensi antano wati ana. Oh my God,
the family you belong to what's me at home anado president for being an officer so who dinatem the kind of crime on panokre the kind of crime Ghana phone tie ha me say Ghana phone me say check the phone video all because a check the phone din and Addo attempt a check the phone anu ya ha Ghana phone matu kwan some of you are so much shame to yourself. We want to face Ghana must face by the law. Why don't you tell your so-called move from we say judiciary some law no nyaj mo Ghana na mo tia bloche mra na de bu ablochire emra enti wudi di anfa to fom emra enti wonu so gugotam edan ho kra wutimi ndo so wutimi nyo kwate round so mama dia mo say atem ni dia na de fisikro mo chimienti. We have to fight for the nation by the laws. Why don't you say it? Why don't you tell the good leader? Now I face the country. No, be able to. What's the minutes in a talk? Ghana, no, we need to face some things. We need to face. No, I bet you can some. Yes, you have been a senator. Oh, Papa, president. Now, because you are not the form. Now, I'm at the form. Because you are near Canada. Lower primary school, SLC, and ultimate medical school. Near Canada, senator. Oh, Papa, dental runners, your president. Because you are near primary school fees, near primary book. Yes, me book what it's near primary. Now, one hour by yesterday. Ghana for timidity ya to abama obia ya to abama. It we honorable. It also kasa Ghana for yentio honorable senator. Did you forget what your father did to Ghanaians? Let me speak English because you people know you call yourself say you don't understand Twi, you don't understand Ghanaian language because you were schooling in Europe. So let me speak my common English. Me, I'm not educated. I didn't go to free education. Your father time there was no free education. So I'm trying my best to speak vernacular for you to understand what I'm saying. Your father was a president. J.J. Rollins is my hero. Due to what? J.J. no you kwan papa. On shema kwasi kwan. Eno kwa de na mani ho. Enso na na do kwan ogunu eyesin J.J. de. So let me go there to the point. Senator, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industrials which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If he was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, papa, time near the Kabi, and Yakan and Ekofum, and Yaka, your fro, and Nuna Juma air trotro. Senator, your father time, and Yakan and your fro, medical school. Nakofo by ever two papa, and what the buses, metro buses. Eba ne fro ye and a Ghana for ye the body gugu metro masim and ye say no and to Ghana to Memphis Ghana for no season ye problem kofo be fese ye no zinato papa e dia satam no ana o kofo ba ye and no ma kofo ye o papa wontimi anya bi o kwa tese ka utwani ndisi kra ese ka utwani bibi foforo ne ehun the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us. Okay, say you to know more Casano, we are not forcing your own. Okay, say you to know more face the country, no, or we are not forcing me. And come back to Ghana for say. Wobi abaji brabu bi abanin chew komu di nyansa bekasa komu ka cha Ghana for say mu amosisi dan fon mosisi kodena wo kwan ho mu amode e de say kiosk wasisi kwan no yembu punu nyina na abrochire nyasa ne tie sa you to ni nyansa komu ka de tie wa abrochire aka cha president say ye bese Ghana ye tie ma me mu omote kwan no wo mu sore president usimakat ya famo mu free. Yes, see, Kajatia market. To Mama Yadie. Nano said to Yadie. Nanado Yadie. Nanado Betwasum. I pay Kajaket, ye don't so Jayoma. Who got Jones are gone and it war. War just as a can you would idea.